there, hatchlings! Zippy the Turtle here, reporting for time-telling duty. Everyone knows turtles love munching on algae. It's a full-time job. But did you know there's a way to keep track of how much yummy algae you've eaten? It's called telling time. Imagine you wake up with the bright sunshine tickling your shell. That means it's morning, the perfect time for a refreshing swim and a tasty breakfast of algae. But what about afternoon adventures? That's where those amazing things called clocks come in. They have big hands and little hands, like friendly pond creatures waving hello. The big hand tells us if it's morning, afternoon, or evening, and the little hand tells us the exact time for our next adventure. For example, if you want to play hide and seek with your friends, you can look at the clock and see if the big hand points to the sun. That means it's daytime. And the little hand points somewhere near the number 3. That means it's the perfect time for a game of hide and seek before your yummy lunch. Learning to tell time is like learning a secret code that unlocks all sorts of adventures. You can find out when your favorite show comes on, when it's time for a bedtime story, or even when your yummy afternoon snack is ready. So, hatchlings, let's set sail on a time-telling adventure. Ask your grown-ups about clocks, learn about the big and little hands, and soon you'll be a time-telling whiz. With a little practice, telling time will be as easy as swimming in the pond. Now, if you'll excuse me, I gotta check the clock and see if it's snack time. My tummy's rumbling. See you soon, hatchlings!